O kan continue le nga la nga coffee is like a break zo ya. So mo ta kan ti re lo nga 16 to next 10 vel thank you kan thang le zo man ka ring ti de ul le nga zung zung ni la 16 ama 15 thank you kan zo to ma ni kan ti na kha na 16 tang kan continue wang blank appropriate pronoun thang ro ti ni ta of them is to blame helai subject le verb agreement ang khan me pronoun in noun kha hei himi I verb mil tu ri khana ngai ta some kan mang thelo some ni chon pakhat ai nan tama chawang chon are ani ngai do na all ani pon pakhat ai na tam few ani pon pakhat ai na tama chawang chon is ani wang khan in singular noun pronoun kan ma bo a tlai jing a han singular noun kan nei chun chu each tia chuanin and then each of the boys poni se boys oma ma se each can pakhate te na very far ang ne chu bang ton singular verb hi kan mangang chan is each of the boys is boys ne me milo are ne do mel do chi na ma se is kan mangang each a chuan one must take care of his health their health one's health it's it's so simple to think a possessive and then he must take care of he possessive form to his there are his health she no need to say her health and lenga one in a possessive form to one's and me it's so simple to cut one's health one must take care of one's health so next he ke mo confusion tam do lek tong ale phe to kam mang pol na sa ma se tong te thil lo mang pol pon ne la po em lo ma se tyang a chang kan te de ka nga ya who did you meet whom did you meet whose did you meet which whose le which te hi tu tyang a tel lo kan ne me ni nga te who nge kan ti don whom ta khan enge adik jok chu he whom a chan chu hemi who le whom big shim mistake tam man so la tam to ka enten tu na lo chong tela who did you meet tile tu man mak pon te lo ang dik lo ang men pon na nang lo ma se kan written proper grammar a khan whom ki adik tu rani who he subject soina whom ki cha objective form khan ta object and then he likes tuan ni pakhat dang ente nan liana apa sai ta he ta hi ngoro he kan thak lo ka nge liana likes moya alo ni ta tuan in subject to liana moya to object ani ta liana subject he tero likes moya him pronoun ni kan no thak ta ni lok te kyan tuan in lian khan tunge alike ti galo zo don ta who does he like kati don nge whom does he like kati ang moya kha subject object and hey him kan man hi emma atop na hetia forma hetia in han ja thina emma atop don question kan da pon emma atop jok whom jok kan mang tur chun ti mai ta whom does he like who does he like milovin so ibe zela hemi te hi tu tema film ko de banga ya bangin entenan ani bera to am ki liana subject noun oma verb ki tunge action tu jok tunge lo dong tu jok action tu chu liana chuanin moya khi alo dong tu jok tero chuanin action tu jok hi hianin action pe tu jok ti meng action pe tu jok hi hu kan manga action dong tu jok hi hum kan mang tur ani ta ni chuanin entenan he met him tunge iba mu chu ti azot am mu tu jok tu hi ani ta amu abazo ta chuanin who did you meet kati don nge whom did you meet tu ba kan question me ang tia tia ki ni da me ta ni ta khang tenge ki did you meet chuanin I action dong tu zo kha zo ta tiro am ati tu chu hei ta han oma chuan action dong tu chu azo na zo khiton action dong tu azo ta chu wang chuanin action dong tu whom did you meet kan mang don ta a chang them en te man ke ma for example kan pek bel lok hi mistake tam chin em wangin sei bel zoyang whom did you meet kan ei ta ni en te na ti chang to I should call him ti hi ka lo nei ta tiro chuanin I should call he kan ti ngai lo he ti hi chu adik lo kan mangai lo dan ta him objective pronoun ania chuan tunge I call lang ti hi lo zo don te la who should you call ka ti don em nge whom should you call kan ti don chuan han enila heta kha renge ni tunge dong tu tur kha him emina top heta kan zo na lo om pon ema top zo khum zo kha kan mangang why example elozen bota isn't bo lanin tunge while you're away who will take care of the dog tunge yom lo lai kha ui kha tunge lo em kol don ti kha om ta ni chuan answer kha enge mi pakhat an John an alo en ko lang he will take care of the dog kanei ta chuanin chu ti ni chuanin while you're away a question lo son le don ta ila who or whom will take care of the dog enge na nga answer to hey him nge he ani tiro action ti tu tur khapa ka action ti tu tur ne dong tu tur ni la chu bang tan ta chuanin who ani le ang ti khan na chang de mo to practice tam pe de ne ka ngai kha ti khan ke min a shat thei de click ka base te ya next en le nga lang between you and I, me, mine, myself. Between he ta khan preposition anita preposition between hi tu donami achungang ti thau objective zok zelin objective form zelin objective pronoun yang to na pronoun question ka dom boka in a follow ang to mini chuanin object ang zo ka kal khange enge I to subject me to object pero he between you and me between they kan tilawang kiki I ne ang leng subject ve subjective form between them kan ti them ang se kan me subjective objective form ve an la don ta ni chuan next le neither of the two brothers have called to say that he will be home they will be home him there him le there the kitchen eliminate le la chiang maya he will be home ka ti don nge they will be home neither kan ti rang chuanin pakhat jok ma in pakhat jok ti rang lek ni chu khati an ti lo ve neither ang chi te neither either each khilai chung kan en tia ho rai nang singular verb te lan la ang kitapo khian enge singular singular verb singular form zel khan lata atapo khianin neither of the two brothers has his verb to a singular sa has amanga to say that they kan mang don la his plural bangin ka singular subject kha kala don tan singular pronoun he answer ni le ta hang ho to har sa lo em til har sa to kan ni lawin ka sha so next in the given sentence identify the segments which contains the grammatical error error identification kan nei le ta despite of his hard work he did not succeed in passing the exam despite of his hard work he did not succeed no error despite I answer the despite of despite kan mangani chuan of in a follow thelo a follow lo and then in spite of ne kan mang kop thina wang ne pui mistake om thina in spite of ti te tiang ho lo om ta hi a om za tu despite in meaning reng a meaning in ang dun reng ta ma se despite as an off om lo ti ka sha to and then despite his hard work ti hi ka ja dan to nya in spite to mangilang chuanin in spite of his hard work kan tianga khang ang kha of atelem telavem hi chu ton chang sin chang hai by hat pok the despite of ani ngai lawanga in spite of ani ang and then in spite of being sick he came to work in spite of kita dikhat mai hey in spite of in spite despite kamang doa despite of atel to allow despite being sick he came to work tikhanile mai ta despite in spite of equal of atel allow despite that one the professor along with his students are conducting a scientific experiment on refraction of light. The professor, along with his students, are conducting a scientific experiment on refraction of light. Hey, he ama atunga pokan subject verb akan kan discuss to hani ha. The professor, along with atunga kan example pakan de siya made a modifier ketika as well as tite in addition to tite kiki aron tela makataka French English French as well as Korean heta amasa kan video masa kan cover to ka as well as ti khanin kan subject ka athak lo French is taught here kan ti kami ang tia khan meta po hianin a modifier ki ignore la the professor are conducting a scientific experiment diglautero the professor pakhatta ma the professor is conducting a scientific experiment so bangsa adiglauto helai plural verb are omnahi adiglautani tuan each tutuna po atung ang yang mo zaka mention to so itam to pakangai lawin ka siya each of the employees in the company have received their bonus each singular verb mang chin word kati ka pakate ti angin zugri farawangin tuan kan verb to have oma engatinge tahan have om plural verb niya adiklaw tiro each of the employees has kan bang tur nita pakhat ang verb he has they have plural has ka singular so bang tanin adiglaw lai so have plural verb omna have hidiglaw lai nita ni next let's so no sooner the meeting began than the director received an urgent call hey pu chung ang ora kon scroll thawle lok kan so ito pakhat ka inversion example kan discuss pattern inversion to hey kan so ito ka scarcely tite anita a structure tiang inversion ho akaton structure ka tiang hi and follow a chain kan ti khanita ni kim scarcely tite or ato na mi kha no sooner tite khang ang ti ho ka chu an pattern an masapon example apo ka mention to he scarcely tungzo khatun he to no sooner ani me tiang ho ka to in ang ka ti he structure he and follow ang kan ti kha he ka follow to ni ta ni chu ti ni cha ka sentence om dan tur chu no sooner had the meaning the meaning and the meeting the meeting began then the director received an urgent call no sooner had the meeting past participle began when or then the director received an urgent call the dang dong is past simple type here director past simple received an urgent call ta khan adiklaw lai to kan hungai the mai ta no sooner ti to pitu dika the meeting began had the meeting began turanita so bang chanin can answer to hey nile mai inversion structure no sooner scarcely had the meeting tuti kati kata to min kan discuss vector kanile ta ni so an final na break to do na he kati zabanga the reason why he left the job was because he had personal reasons Athan to the reason. Athan to because a redundant ni. He left the job ana abang because athan to he had personal reasons. Chuanin athan to aban than to amasa ta aban than to athan to ti because ki no ngai to lo. So bang chuanin was he had personal reason kan ti to me because I the reason kan da to so bang chuanin was because he a redundant tool to lo ani ani ta ka phe chon dut the reason why ti tang ya to ya ngai lo ani na pe ka the reason ha to le ka ase oh mistake nem lo ngai la the reason he left the job was he had ka kan ti mai thaya athan chu adobola to lo the reason oma chu wang chanin was because kan pe to ang ti kha 25 theng anita a he du to kila next 26 string kan chan le anga hemi hi lo bel le diao phatang ton tan chan a